What if healing old wounds could be as simple as applying a cream? Scientists may have just found a breakthrough in speeding up skin repair, especially for older adults, and the magic lies in a powerful drug called ABT 263. As we age, our bodies begin to collect something called senescent cells. These are old, damaged cells that have stopped working properly, but instead of going away, they just hang around and get in the way, especially in our skin. These cells interfere with our skin's natural healing process, making recovery from injuries slower and more difficult. So researchers decided to test a senolytic drug. That's a type of drug that targets and clears out these zombie-like cells, and ABT 263 was their choice. They applied it topically right on the skin of older mice. The results? Pretty incredible. The mice treated with ABT 263 showed fewer signs of cellular aging, and their wounds healed much faster. By day 24, 80% of treated mice had fully healed wounds, compared to just 56% of untreated ones. That's a huge difference. Interestingly, the drug also triggered a short burst of inflammation in the skin, and instead of causing harm, it actually helped. This inflammation seemed to wake up the skin's repair systems, making them act faster and more efficiently. The treated skin also showed a boost in genes related to wound repair, like collagen production and the growth of new blood vessels. Both are essential for strong, healthy skin regeneration. What's even more impressive? ABT 263 worked selectively. It removed senescent cells in older mice but didn't affect the young ones at all. And since it was applied directly to the skin, it avoided the side effects that often come with oral medications. The researchers said, "Our study underscores the potential of topical senolytic treatments to enhance wound healing in aging skin, presenting a promising strategy for preoperative care." While more studies are needed to confirm if this works the same in humans, this discovery is a huge step forward in regenerative medicine. A future where wounds heal faster, especially for the elderly, might not be far off. Thanks for watching. If you found this video fascinating, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing science and health breakthroughs.